friends, and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share a couple of ideas for foundation pages for my 2021 December Daily album, and I'm working with the Felicity Jane Bella collection today. And so I wanted to figure out, first one of the things I wanted to figure out was working with the 10 by 8 page size versus the 6 by 8 that I'm used to working with, or 12 by 12s that I work with a lot. The 10 by 8 page size, and how to incorporate pre-punched 6 by 8 die cut pages and make it more of a part of a 10 by 8 album page itself. And so I think I have an idea of how to do that with the Fa La La die cut page from the Bella kit. And so I'm just gonna work with that today and sort of figure out how I can create this as a 10 by 8 page. I'm also using the wood grain patterned paper included in the collection. Whoops, I didn't realize I had that back there. And then I don't know if I'm going to use this or not, but I had that little solid cardstock as well. I kind of like that mint color with the wood grain. So let's see how that turns out today, and follow along with me. So I got all of that cut out, and I decided that I wanted to use this little cardstock pocket. It's the one with the mint polka dot on a white background. And so that way I can incorporate that mint color that I like. And I think that that pocket will create a great little spot for journaling, photos, all of the important things for a December daily page. And now I'm just gonna figure out, how do I want to embellish it? And I knew I wanted to use Bella herself as she's decorating the tree. And then you guys, have y'all seen these really cool label stickers from Felicity Jane? They are a must-have for your collection. And so I thought I would incorporate one or more of those. I'm not sure yet. And so those were a cool find. I just have them all grouped together, and they go with me kind of wherever. So I'm kind of challenging myself to use those these days. And then she's holding the banner, and then I added the little gift behind her. It's actually kind of a big gift scaled next to her. And then I think my idea is that I'll add the number on top once I know what day I'm using this for. I don't really know yet. Then, in order to have something to slide into the pocket, I went back through my stash and found this little 3x8 a Christmas tree card. It's from a previous Felicity Jane collection. And so I'm going to just trim that down a little bit and added a little tiny gold star at the top. And then when the time comes, you could do a flip out with that, or a little booklet, or a little accordion fold kind of thing with your photo. And so that's where my story will go. And this really came together really cute. And I'm really happy with how it came out. I hope that you're inspired as well and that you love it. I hope that this helps you to make sense of how to work with some of the 6x8 products on a 10x8 canvas this year. It's been fun. I've been challenged, and so I'm going to challenge you as well. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you back here again soon. Bye-bye.